The Fog of Progress, Decoding Brain Fog in the Digital Age. The Silent Epidemic, the Cognitive Crisis. Do you feel like your mind is trapped in a thick haze? You struggle to find the right words, your train of thought shatters mid sentence, and making a simple decision feels like climbing a mountain. This isn't just tiredness, it is brain fog. According to recent neuroscientific studies, brain fog cases among people under 40 have doubled in the last 15 years. The American Academy of Neurology identifies this as a modern epidemic. Your brain isn't broken, it is overwhelmed, overstimulated, and undernourished. The digital onslaught, the dopamine trap. We are living through a war for attention. Your brain is being bombarded by a relentless stream of content. The real effect. 1 second you see a tragedy, the next a comedy, then a cooking recipe followed by an angry rant. Emotional whiplash. The human brain did not evolve to process hundreds of different emotional triggers in a single minute. For children, the damage is severe. Their brains are being wired for 15-second high dopamine rewards. When they are asked to sit for a 3-hour exam or a 45-minute lecture, their neural circuits literally brown out. They haven't lost intelligence, they have lost the capacity for stillness. The power of silence. Silence is the brain's exhale. Just as the body exhales carbon dioxide to survive, the mind requires silence to flush out cognitive debris. The signal versus the substance, skills over degrees. In the modern economy, information is a commodity, but synthesis, the ability to connect ideas, is a superpower. The degree is a signal, it gets you into the room. The skill is the substance, it keeps you in the room and generates value. Education isn't about collecting certificates, it's about building cognitive competence. A degree is just a seat in a room. A skill is the ability to walk out of that room and build a world. Prioritize the substance over the signal. The SWAN Protocol, Scientific Recovery. To clear the fog, you must address the biological roots: neuroinflammation, cortisol, stress hormones, spikes, and nutrient deficiencies. Use the SWAN framework. S. Sleep, non-negotiable. During deep sleep, the brain's glymphatic system washes away toxic proteins. Without 7 to 8 hours, you are literally operating with a dirty brain. W. Water, hydration. Your brain is approximately 75% water. A mere 2% drop in hydration causes immediate cognitive decline and irritability. A. Activity, oxygenation. Physical movement triggers BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, essentially Miracle-Gro for your neurons. N. Nutrition, brain fuel. Your brain thrives on choline and omega-3s. Incorporate eggs, fatty fish, and walnuts to repair neural membranes. Cognitive offloading, mind as a processor, not a hard drive. Stop trying to remember everything. Your brain is for having ideas, not holding them. Task managers and technology. Use alarms, calendars, and GPS. By offloading mundane data to your phone, you free up random access memory, RAM, for deep thinking. The 10-minute buffer. Never jump from one high-intensity task to another. Give your brain a 10-minute, zero-input window to reset. The spiritual anchor, the moral compass. Modern psychology is finally catching up to ancient wisdom. The weight of guilt. Research shows that moral conflict and transgression create background mental noise that shatters focus. Living a life of integrity cleanses the mental palate. The Quranic frequency. Reciting and memorizing scripture engages the hippocampus, the brain's memory hub, and provides a rhythmic linguistic patterns that calms the nervous system. The prophetic lifestyle. The Sunnah emphasizes moderation in eating, the hygiene of wudu, which acts as a sensory reset, and the pre-dawn tahajjud fajr routine, the most cognitively productive hours of the day. Closing thought, let's wrap up. No one dies from hard work, but many suffer from purposelessness. The fog clears when your heart and soul are aligned with your labor. Don't settle for an 8-hour survival mindset. Aim for an ultra-performer lifestyle where 16 hours of passionate work feels like a blessing. Clear the clutter, silence the noise, reclaim your mind. Thanks for watching Renovate Mind Life Coaching. I am your host, Mohammed Hashmatullah Khan. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button.